Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel and thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you for your likes and thank you very much for watching so far and follow me and support me. In this video today I will show you basically two important plugins that will help you to improve your website. And it's actually free, and if you want you can upgrade to the pro level. First of all, the first one is the WP forms that we can actually add to a plugin to our WordPress website. We can go here, add new, and then just search for WP forms, and they will come up and activate the plugin. And as you can see here, you can add any form into your website, including a paid form, simple, without, having the big knowledge of a designer or anything. Like, for example, I have on my Pinterest management services a couple of, information here for people to sign up, like the email, the name, the URL, the website, telephone number. So we go here, we activate the WP Forms plugin, and then as you can see here inside our forms on the left hand side of our WordPress website or any other website, it's easy for you to have the WordPress website, so it's very, very easy and it will help you a lot. So we go here and we say add new. And you will see here that you already have some templates for you to choose. And also you can upgrade here to the pro level and pay. I don't know how much is the price. I haven't checked it already. I'm using the free version at the moment, and later on I can grab their upgrade version and use it for my website if I need it. Before that we go here, if you, for example, upgrade to the pro level, we can go to, I want to show you, but it is actually, we'll go to the main dashboard and I want to show you something, but you can actually see here the WP forms, but if you upgrade to the pro level, that you can see how many entries you have. So basically you can actually see analytics, and this is very important. It's exactly like the Insight and the opt-in master that we have, and also it's going to help you see how many people the contacts, the form, how many people they're trying to enter the details, especially if you want to have like contact us form on your website and you don't want to pay somebody to do it. It's very simple to use this form. Then if you want to add a pay form, and it's important also to use it to get leads. So it's very, very important for you to understand that we get the traffic, we trying to get traffic, and also to generate leads is very, very important, because that is the main source of having a website, to generate lead and then trying to convert them into a clients. So this is very simple way here from you upgrade to the WP forms. You can get the advantages of this plugin. At the moment I have an upgrade because I'm using the free form, but I will later on. I'm trying to actually find a way to manage which plugins they're most important and present for my website, and this is what you need to do as well, rather than wasting money, since we're all of us are in this financial world of pandemic that we try to manage. So this is an example here to see that they have already plenty of contact forms for you, including a new sign-up form that we can use it for subscribers, for people to leave your details. It's very good because it's going to help you with the spammers, people that are trying to, try to spam your website, and you don't want subscribers that they're not, important to your what you're selling, and you don't want waste timers basically. And also remember that subscribe to your website or to your services, or you subscribe to any other website, is because you get in offers. So sometimes adding all these plugins to your website, you might receive offers. So if you want to grab the offer, go for it, because that's the point of subscribing to somebody's website, to get offers if you're interested for what they're selling. Otherwise, there is no point of subscribing. So this is all the templates. Let's say we use this one, a simple contact form, just an example for me to show you how to place it on your page. And as you can see here, there is an example of simple contact form with the name, the first name, last name, email, the message, and as you can see here, that is a click to edit, drag to reward, or so you can obviously add and create anything, or you can delete, like say the comment, or here for example we click it and we delete this. We delete the comment and say message, for instance, and then we do save here. The other thing that I wanted to show you here on the left, that is a lot of choices. Obviously, all of those like passwords or other things that I don't need at present, and are all to the pro level. But there is plenty of free options for these WP forms. It's really easy plugin, very good to use, and something you don't really need to be a designer. So let's say we want checkbox. We add checkbox. And as you can see here, the first choice, second choice, third choice. If you want to add something else, you can edit it and again change it. Like as you see my form here, that I have people to choose the Pinterest management services, that I have a small package and a basic business package, and then the comments for people to give the details, because we have to generate leads. That is the main options that we have, is to increase traffic and then generate leads. And we want to put these people into our email list and then increase our income, convert them into a sale. And obviously, people make mistakes. All of us make mistakes. So this is the process of being a businesswoman, businessman, is for you to learn of this process. So we're going back here, and as you can see, you have plenty of options. You can play, you can change in, for example, second choice. So first package, for instance, as I have on my website, and then you save it, and that's it. Then we're going back here. Again, you can change anything you want, multiple choice, or you can add number, for them to add the numbers, for the number, the telephone number. And since you finish with this simple form, what you can do is to save it here, and then you can go back to settings, and then you have here the confirmation, like for example when they sign up, what they would get. And you can play also with it, like the message, thank you for contacting us. We'll be in touch with you shortly. Or thank you for your interest, for instance. We'll be in touch with you shortly. You can also edit whatever you want to write here, and then again save it. And this is again just the general things. All of those, like the emails, the notifications, that are in there by default, but you can play with it. Like here, for example, you can have the email that you want when somebody sign up for your form, or your lead page, whatever you have in there. If you're selling some services, guys, and you don't want to pay a lot of money to a designer, it's very, very simple way without upgrade to the paid version. And I think it's yearly. I haven't checked how much is it at present. So you can add your email here. Here is by default my admin email. Then you know what is the name of the business, and then straight away it's going to them. When somebody sign up, it's going to come to the email I have as an admin email. So it's very, very simple and easy to use, and it's very actually, it doesn't need to have technical skills. And as you can see here, again, then save it. And also when you update to your pro level, to the pro level, and you want to set up a small, let's say you're selling an ebook and you don't want again to spend too much money, and you don't want to, you know, to have like too complicated sites or complicated way of doing it. It's simple, you know, to upgrade to this form, and then you can have your PayPal standard here and your Stripe. So we use a Stripe now as well. PayPal is obviously better because it's more safer, and I think sometimes when you see some forms that ask you just your credit cards, is sometimes might be a bit spammy, but I have seen it to many websites. I think PayPal is more professional, so you can connect it with your PayPal and also make it an easy way for people to buy. Let's say you're selling an ebook, and you know, you promote the ebook, create the page, and that's it. It's very, very simple for you to use this plugin. And you know, don't forget that you don't really need to have a skills. And what you can do, you can go then when you finish save this actually form or any other form, because as you can see before in here, you can create different ones like the newsletters. Also, you can have a paid form when you upgrade to the pro level. So you can save everything and then go back. Let's say go to our pages. It's very simple. So I have my Pinterest management services here, and I have a page here. So what you do, as you can see here, my form, we go to edit the page. And as you can see here, add the form is the button already. If you cannot find it, you will be able to find it because it's obviously you activated the plugin. So you can do this, and then you just add the form, and then you're looking for the form that you created, and then you could choose, because obviously if you create too many forms, like here, the ID number of the form, and then you can place on the website, save it, update, and then you can see it. And here also you see all the forms that I have created. Simple contact form, for example, this is the one we created today. This is my Pinterest ones. So you can actually edit and do, you know, or duplicate it to another and similar one, and duplicate it, like add other things you want to, and then again find the ID and save it in the relevant website. It's very, very simple, and you don't really need to have tech skills, and it's very important for you without really spending too much money. And then the second plugin that is very, very important, let's go to plugins and instant plugins for your website, is the one that we clear the caches. Here we have the Rocket. This is very good plugin to clear the caches of the website, and the reason is because it's going to help you with the performance on the website, and it's going obviously to help you when you're posting something to see it straight away and rather than having other issues. So we go to settings. You add in this plugin to your WordPress, you activate it, and as you can see here is the main dashboard of WP Rocket. Is the best plugin to clear the cache of the whole website. We can actually clear the cache of our web history by doing it. Is very, very important, so we have better better use of the internet, a faster way to open websites rather than being slow. So you go here and you clear all the caches, remove all cache files, and as you can see here, 15 April, we clear the caches, and it's better now. If I post something, it's gonna go straight. And here you have also a lot of things when you just started, what's by default, what you want to do to your site. I just use this to clear basically all the caches. And here you have basic cache options, enable cache for mobile devices, of course, and all of those. Don't tick this, and how many hours. Also, you need to choose how many 10 hours or less you have to clear the caches. Is very, very good. It's actually the best when it comes to plugins to clear the caches. It's help you with the performance of the website, and like any other plugin that you need. And this is two very important plugins for you to add to your WordPress website. And thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel so you wouldn't miss any other video. And if you need any help or any videos that you might need help with, please let me know on the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day, and I wish you well.